let's welcome the songbird of the airways, Miss Abigail Carruthers.
Thank you, Joe. Before I sing tonight, I would like to take a moment to let the audience know that today I received another letter from my husband, Jonathan. Thank you. As you all know, Jonathan is a captain in the United States Navy and is currently serving somewhere in the South Pacific. We were only married for a few short weeks before he was shipped out, and I miss him very much. He wanted to tell everyone hello, and that he can't wait to be back and sitting in that audience, listening to his bride. Well, darling, it's been tough without you, so please be safe and hurry back, Captain Jonathan Carruthers. Your wife misses you very much. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps raining all the time. Life is bad, gloom and misery everywhere. Stormy weather, just can't keep my poor self together. I'm weary all the time, the time. So weary all the time. Since he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, old rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. Can't go on, everything I had is gone. Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps raining all the time. Keeps raining all the time. I walk around heavy-hearted and sad. Night comes around and I'm still feeling bad. Rain pouring down, blinding every hope I had. This pittering, pattering, beating and spattering drives me mad. Love, 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 love. This misery is just too much for me. Can't go on, everything I had is gone. Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps raining all the time. Keeps raining all the time.